Industrial Rotating Machine is the world leader in engineering and manufacturing custom gearing solutions for any market that needs strong, reliable gears. We have the engineering expertise to maintain, repair, and replace gear drives with components and systems that will outlast all others. Here at Industrial Rotating Machine, we have been repairing industrial gearboxes for over 30 years. We repair all major OEM industrial gearboxes such as Falk, Flender, Marley, Gloucester, and Philadelphia, just to name a few. Why choose us? We will reduce your downtime and have you back up and running quickly. We will inspect and test everything thoroughly throughout the repair process. We offer free LTL transportation across the entire United States. All repairs come with an operational warranty up to 48 months from time and date of the install. Call us today for your free gearbox repair quote, 361-433-6227. Please visit our website for more information.